I'm just saying if Dorski wants to cook for Seamus. Oh! Dun, 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 dun. Who's this fella?
This is Clifford.
Clifford, how you going, Archer?
Half of my crew. These are my grandchildren, grandsons.
Seamus!
He's over there. Come and have a look.
Do you think if we mixed it up in like... in that one? You know what? Why don't we do it in that?
No, that's unhealthy.
I could clean it.
What, sterilise it? This, you're talking to Dorski, you know?
Yeah.